Managing diabetes is like walking a tightrope. It's all about balance, especially with your blood sugar levels. Healthy eating involves what, how much, and when you eat. This essay offers practical advice on smart food choices. We'll cover carbohydrates, portion control, and balanced meals. Diabetes affects how your body uses glucose for energy. Insulin helps glucose enter cells in a healthy body. In diabetes, this process is disrupted. This can lead to high blood glucose levels. Healthy eating can help manage this. Conscious food choices impact blood sugar levels. Your diet is a powerful tool for managing diabetes. We'll explore tips to make healthy eating sustainable.
Carbohydrates often get a bad rap, but the truth is, not all carbs are created equal. Understanding the difference between good and bad carbs is crucial for managing blood sugar. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is your body's primary energy source. However, some carbs can cause your blood sugar to spike rapidly, while others have a more gradual, sustained effect. Simple carbohydrates found in sugary drinks, processed snacks, and white bread are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid blood sugar spikes. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. They contain fiber, which slows down digestion and results in a more gradual rise in blood sugar. When reading food labels, pay attention to the total carbohydrate content and the fiber content. Aim for foods that are lower in total carbs and higher in fiber. This will help you manage your blood sugar levels more effectively. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding how different carbs affect your blood sugar, you can make informed choices that support your health.
Imagine your plate as divided into sections. This is the key to building balanced meals that promote stable blood sugar levels. A simple yet effective method is the plate method. Start by filling half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or green beans. These are packed with nutrients and fiber while being low in carbohydrates. Next, dedicate a quarter of your plate to lean protein sources such as fish, chicken, tofu, or beans. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair and has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. It also helps you feel full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management. The remaining quarter of your plate is reserved for whole grains or starchy vegetables like brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, or corn. These provide energy and additional fiber. Remember, portion control is key. Use smaller plates and be mindful of serving sizes to avoid overeating, which can lead to blood sugar spikes.
Navigating the grocery store can feel like a minefield when you're focused on managing your blood sugar. But fear not. Armed with the right knowledge, you can make choices that support your health goals. Load up on fresh fruits and vegetables. They're your allies in blood sugar control. Opt for whole grains over refined grains whenever possible. Choose lean proteins like fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Healthy fats are also important for overall well-being. Limit sugary beverages and processed snacks.
Section 5. Meal Prep Power. Planning for success in the kitchen. Life can get busy, and planning ahead is your secret weapon for staying on track with your healthy eating goals. Devote some time each week to meal prepping. It will save you time and stress during the week. Wash and chop vegetables in advance, cook a batch of grains like quinoa or brown rice to use in different meals, and portion out snacks into containers. Having healthy options readily available can help you resist the temptation of unhealthy choices when you're short on time. Invest in good quality food storage containers to keep your prepped meals and snacks fresh. Consider using a cooler bag with ice packs when transporting meals and snacks to ensure they stay at a safe temperature. Plan your meals for the week ahead of time and make a grocery list to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. This will prevent impulsive purchases and help you stay organized. Involve your family or housemates in meal prepping. It can be a fun and bonding activity while promoting healthy habits for everyone. Section 6. Cooking for control. Flavor without the sugar spikes. Healthy cooking doesn't have to be bland. There are plenty of ways to add flavor to your meals without relying on excess sugar or salt. Experiment with herbs and spices like garlic, ginger, cumin, turmeric, and oregano to enhance the taste of your dishes. Citrus fruits like lemon and lime add a burst of freshness and flavor to both savory and sweet dishes. Instead of frying, opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, roasting, steaming, or stir-frying. These techniques help retain nutrients and reduce the need for added fats. When using oil, choose heart-healthy options like olive oil, avocado oil, or canola oil in moderation. Be mindful of added sugars in sauces, marinades, and dressings. Many store-bought options can be high in sugar, so check labels carefully or consider making your own. Explore sugar-free alternatives like stevia or monk fruit sweetener in moderation. Remember, small changes in your cooking habits can make a big difference in your blood sugar management and overall health.
Section 7. Mindful choices, lasting benefits. Making gradual changes to your eating habits can be more sustainable than trying to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new healthy habits each week and build from there. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're comfortably satisfied. Be patient with yourself. It takes time for new habits to stick. Don't get discouraged if you have an off day or indulge in a treat occasionally. Focus on making healthier choices most of the time, and remember that every small step counts. Healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. By making conscious choices and adopting a balanced approach, you can take control of your blood sugar levels, improve your overall health, and enhance your quality of life.
Section 8. Understanding diabetes. A quick look. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body regulates blood sugar or glucose. Glucose is the primary source of energy for your cells, and it comes from the food you eat. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, helps transport glucose from your bloodstream into your cells to be used for energy. In type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This means that people with type 1 diabetes don't produce insulin and need to take insulin injections or use an insulin pump to survive. In type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to the effects of insulin or doesn't produce enough insulin to maintain normal blood sugar levels. This is the most common type of diabetes. Gestational diabetes is a type of diabetes that develops during pregnancy. It usually goes away after pregnancy, but can increase a woman's risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Without proper management, diabetes can lead to a variety of complications, including heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, nerve damage, and vision problems. Section 9. The importance of professional guidance. Managing diabetes effectively requires a personalized approach. While this essay provides general guidelines, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to create a meal plan tailored to your specific needs. They can help you determine appropriate carbohydrate intake, portion sizes, and food choices based on your individual health status, medications, and lifestyle factors. Your healthcare provider will also monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and make adjustments to your treatment plan as needed. Remember, diabetes management is a collaborative effort. By working closely with your healthcare team, you can receive the guidance and support you need to thrive. Section 10. Beyond the plate, other lifestyle factors. While healthy eating is paramount in managing blood sugar, it's not the only factor to consider. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more effectively. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity, such as brisk walking or cycling, or 75 minutes of vigorous-intensity aerobic activity, such as jogging or swimming per week. Stress can also impact blood sugar levels. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health and can affect insulin sensitivity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Section 11. Your journey to better health. Living with diabetes requires ongoing attention to your health, but it doesn't have to control your life. By adopting healthy eating habits, staying physically active, managing stress, and working closely with your healthcare team, you can live a full and vibrant life while effectively managing your blood sugar levels. Remember, every small step you take toward a healthier lifestyle contributes to your overall well-being. Start incorporating the tips and advice from this essay into your daily routine and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this.